Hello traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel Trade with Bharat. So in this video, we'll have three sections. First one is analyzing what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today, reviewing calls shared on Telegram channel, and third one, overview of shortlisted stock for next trading session. So let's start with Nifty. On Friday, Nifty closed at 11,467 and today it opened at 11,518. So it was a gap up start of 51.45 points. So based on this open price, initial thought was like, I thought Nifty will be in a flat market or a range bound market. I had posted the same thing on Twitter, saying that, it will be a flat market. Buyers have upper hand compared to the sellers. And almost the Bank Nifty also had the same structure. So as stated in the last video, as per the Friday's Nifty structure, buyers had upper hand and Nifty opened up and Nifty started moving higher, but there was an exhaustion seen. Nifty could not move much higher and started slowly. You could see the exhaustion and there was a liquidation happened in this range. Both sellers were not that active, but this is like, who bought here or maybe here, they closed their position. This fall is because of that. It was not that much of a strong selling. Probably seeing that open interest data, we can conclude whether it was a strong selling or maybe just a long liquidation. But as per now, it is said like, we can say it is just a liquidation. Buyers came in, but they tried to push the market on the higher side, but it was not possible. Seller took control and they pushed it lower. So based on this overall structure of Nifty, we can say that the sellers are having upper hand for tomorrow's trade. And for what are the expectation from Nifty for trading is like, it will be very good if Nifty starts trading above 11,560 and Nifty will become weak once it starts trading below today's low. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty on Friday, it closed at 22,539 and it opened today at 22,664. So it was a gap up start of 125.35 points. Based on the open price, I thought initially that it will be a range bound market, but we had to wait for either the buyers or seller to move to push it to the one direction. So if you see, after some time the buyers did not come. It started consolidating here, and once it broke out this level, it started moving lower. So based on this Bank Nifty structure, and we can say that a lot of selling happened, and for tomorrow's trade, sellers will be in control and they can push the market on the lower side. I think this is based. Sellers are in control of this Bank Nifty. This might not be a liquidation. This is like sellers activity. Okay, so buying will start above 22,000 somewhere here above 22,650 levels, and sellers selling will continue below 22,100. Okay, so let's move on to the second part, that is reviewing call shared on Telegram channel. NMDC had given a buy call. 90.6 was the buy. The buy was triggered here, but it did not move much higher. So as per the exit strategy, trailing stop loss, the cost was hit and we exited. Second trade, which I was Tata Steel. The buy was 410.2. It reached a high of 414. Very maybe 1 rupee of gain, and trailing stop would have been hit. And it started moving lower. Seeing at this structure, we can say that sellers are in control. So nothing much in this trade. Third one is M&N Finance. It was a buy call, 132.1. It went high, but again, it did not move much higher. As per the exit strategy, a trailing stop would have been hit, and it is almost like zero. So, but overall, it went on the higher side, pretty decent. I think this is kind of a neutral. Buyers are also there, and sellers are also present in this particular stock. So let's move on to the third part. Third part is shortlisted stock for the next trading session. I have shortlisted. First one is IOC. Though even Nifty fell today, IOC also started moving along with that, and we can see a lot of selling activity happen here. Sellers are in control, and it closed up near to the lows of the day. So based on the overall structure and sellers, since sellers are in control, maybe tomorrow on tomorrow's trade we can expect this stock to go down further. Okay, so second stock which I've shortlisted is Jubilant Food. Again, this stock started trading in a narrow range. Both buyers and sellers are present. Once market starts moving on the lower side, maybe the buyers will close their position, or if it start moving on the higher side, sellers will close their position, and then this stock can go on the higher side. If you compare between buyers and sellers have slight upper hand, not much, maybe out of 3 out of 10. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. And the last stock which I've shortlisted is Lupin. Lupin also started trading in a narrow range. It is a neutral close. Both buyers and sellers are present. So based on the market move, Lupin might take a direction, maybe on the upper side or maybe on the lower side. Okay. The levels to enter and the stop loss, all the details will be provided in the Telegram channel. For the Telegram channel, please refer in the description section. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe for such daily analysis.